Hi guys, today's reading lesson is on multiple meaning words. Multiple meaning words are words that mean more than one thing, and good readers are able to use clues in the text around the words to understand which is the correct meaning in the text. So we're going to practice that today. I found some words in the wind and the sun that have more than one meaning. We're going to go to page 8. Sun agreed and hid behind a cloud to watch. Wind began to blow little gusts. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The word watch has multiple meanings. I know that a watch is something that you tell time on. I also know that watch means to look at something. I'm going to use the words around the word watch to figure out the correct meaning in this text. Sun agreed and hid behind a cloud to watch. Well, I don't think we're talking about time here, so this word must mean to see. I'm going to replace the word see for watch and see if that makes sense. Sun agreed and hid behind a cloud to watch. Sun agreed and hid behind a cloud to see. That makes sense. Watch in this text must mean to see. Next, we're going to try another word. The wind blew harder still. The harder the wind blew, the more tightly the traveler wrapped his cloak around himself. We're going to look at the word harder. The wind blew harder still. Harder has many meanings. Think about the different meanings. What does it mean on this page? How do you know? Something can be hard to do, or a material can feel hard. What is the wind trying to do? The wind blew harder still. I think the word harder means to do something with a lot of force. It is not talking about something that is hard to touch. I have one more for us to try together. After a few more steps, the traveler loosened his cloak. Then he tore off his cloak and dropped it on the road. "You win," said Wind. "I am sorry I was so boastful." Now we're going to look at the word steps. Steps can have more than one meaning. Steps can be the order of which you do something. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do that. Steps can also mean when you're walking. I'm going to reread the sentence and see which meaning makes the most sense in this text. After a few more steps, the traveler loosened his cloak. I think the word steps in this text means that he is walking. That's it for today. Don't forget, when you're reading today and every day, to think about multiple meaning words and make sure you understand which word is the correct one in the text that you are reading. This lesson should help you complete your comprehension booklet activity that is on page 5 for this week. Good luck!